Good. A chief with you.
Yeah. Professor Odi Kakan, I said, my research in India no abon it toughan. Na so, Mamin Komu Kakra, Naema, a chief once near for our motion, anyone out would tea in Ehu near
SOMPA FM.
A camera me says, Sunny Odi Kakan, Nancy Obeko fuel station, Yatifu, SOMPA, and so not Auto for na, and so, Sekano, would the call a honey Kumasia. Obekwa kodu na ofu asan okwem esa nyema bi a ekoso ewo various fuel stations, some fuel stations, I must say, some fuel stations. Internet research team no ya to ni said the dirty truth about clean fuel scam exposed, and we are exposing the tricks behind the nozzles. Many fuel stations no womo pump na womo dey pump fuel no egu e kam. The fuel stations are now fuel angasan crab. It play a very important role in our economy. And the Buama transport here, Juma trade and services, Ninina Ekaho, Emma, Ninina Eko Yanimpa. But over the years, who said, and there may be because of some various stations, filling stations, say a share, na yakan, near reporting my dear, the people in charge, Senator almost will be taking the various precautions. Ama nyemenina akoyi kama. But we have the types of scams are na koso various filling station. Nyanka said number one, delivery under delivery of fuel. Like a shortage of fuel. Therapy alcohol fuel station now. Attendants no deliberately no I almost deliver less fuel than what you have paid for, by tampering the dispensing pumps. The sun your kind now. To be a fuel station, no. Over corona, auto say 500. Now you book 300 Ghana ammo. Now, some of us are calibration fuel pumps now on the dispensing way. No? They put in less amount than what is shown on the screen. It is a auto 500 Ghana now. Almost no more 500 Ghana was all right, but the big woman. A new Sikana, Utia.
Now, I don't know, son, I'm wearing.
I won't be Mekai and Ribimiko. There's a fuel station here, Sakama.
Yeah,
Sakama filling station. Now, they have no cries and no bar. No, yeah, and they say, man, me catch and send me so 200 Ghana. Wow. Now, me to me, yes, can free. The person at your money. The muy answer would be kind of 100 Ghana. Oh, I didn't sort it out. It's Adrian running now for about 200, and I'm saying no. I saw 100 Ghana on the screen. Why are you giving me 100 cities? But I paid you 200 Ghana. It's a argument. And now for Bako a buy. And I say I didn't. I saw him putting 100 Ghana on the screen on the.
But
never done 200 Ghana. I was screening soon. And can we oh. Was with your patch or fashion. So that means that the guy who came knew what was going on there. It's a remove for your family as a reporting lady. No, Ama.
No, but you see, who's a Mamboini?
But who are Mamboini?
Who are Mamboini? You're condoning a crime. You condone a crime.
No,
no, you condone a crime because dear would you condone a crime.
Oh, I'm reporting my manager.
But the manager this is me pushing you. They are telling me something. You told me clearly. You should have reported to the police.
Okay. I'm a patron. Prof.
Matasa.
Yeah.
Ajita.
We did first station attendance here. I can't be. It's a prof. Some of the guy no. I never say it's here. You're reporting to the right authorities.
Sure.
Not the some taking precautions in the account. Among camp. You're supposed to be a price manipulation. They can say some fuel station they illegally adjust the price or they continue to sell at the outdated price after an official reduction. We say they are petrol atoso, but for the price are not more than that. No liter say 14.5 and one that's what the no more no san that's almost the sign and attendance tricks. Not resetting the pump to 0 before starting a new transaction. And also and charging for premium fuel while dispensing regular. On the fuel near premium or regular. And they do almost charging for premium no, but now the good care, no regular one now. And a fake fuel sales, adulteration. And ebi ora fuel stations no fuel ni bi bo se na kerosene afra ensu afra any other cheaper solvent bi na fra and say no di kaka no onim say wakoto fuel pa na oka no eduru ba bia na say atwitwi ni mu ebubu ni mu Obudambales. Yeah. And I know that the first time I we damage. Yeah. And now vehicle also performance need to reduce it. Sure. And I increase emission. And my and you have 40 meters. Some of the filling stations they intentionally are using 40 meters to cheat customers. They turn for Nepal. A fort one, they go ahead and use it, cheating people. There are factors contributing to fuel station scams. Number one, a weak regulatory oversight. Yeah. Weak regulatory oversight. Standard authority near NPA. I was some GM. No more say scams now cost various filling stations and they can say above from because go through over for 300 near 200 amount when say 300 ne betimi the way free how could do kumase na so bedru nkokoro na o ka no ejina no so asembia say na NPA ni standard authority for no mo hwe ne eka and your law enforcement of penalties penalties are de ma omo ayo omo cheating who say our form cry is very minimal fines our form cry and the actually say omo ayo hu omo say it is abare ya me hu no sakama junction way and no ka report na police na nanka fan no aye ne wanim kakra
abaya no na abaya no not saying o no better life ama
the change the dress in the life in this society
now this kind of
well because the belt gralas and the belt that baby say
okay na no for pa
oh I want to me so for the cars here nka so bi hu nyefe but cars na hu for no for and na hu obi nyefe the ultimate move bia but cars na hu for no for
yanko
and your customer inattention. The lack of vigilance among customers also provide opportunities for scammers. Obi o go to fuel now. Or to come on the akacho say 100 Ghana go fuel me can no. Now so jina so I say 100 near buama no, say 20 near buama no, and there in front home. And corruption. Some regulatory inspectors allegedly accept bribes to overlook infractions. Some authorities here almost says I never will go question it be almost yes you almost the near bia and send fata and massa crimes ecosupa. Now I read 2019 NPA sanctioned some 6 filling stations and also and was some by and at 2023 so joy from here news investigation about some fuel station and then also yes scams ne ade koso e Kumasi ne Nkraha and who say fuel stations no nye sene customer betoni omo a omo ni omo digwa no omo enso sene omo bu ma omo ema eno so ebeto dwa yenhwe impact work for scam yi be ho and the general economy no it daily losses to customers amount to millions of Ghana cedis nationwide.
And you say no scam the
and your vehicle damage and MD can engine say so Tiscapoto engine for and now trust erosion, your environmental issues are treated for and sometimes they contribute to air pollution and engine inefficiency. Meaning account regulatory bodies Libya and also National Petroleum Authority and Ghana Standard Authority and other measures to be put in place for the scams at the fuel stations, to be reduced. Recommendation and area SOMPA 106.5. The research team, say, ama 1 hour share fuel so nana 1 hour responsible for managing this scams at the fuel station. Obetimi taken into consideration. Even is increased frequency of random inspections. NPA any standard authorities. Yes, Rom say. Omomo man various filling station and a harsher penalties. You also be yes, I nemana fuel station in Nipana or yes, I didn't know. I see a choma, so mom say, I didn't know what my and yet an advanced technology adoption. Say you did technology, and say technology, I did check it near or filling station and also I was say in conclusion, Prof, I can say fuel scams in Ghana and undermine economic integrity, harm customers and pose a major challenge to service excellence.
Right.
Although some regulatory frameworks exist, stronger enforcement, technological innovation, and public vigilance are needed to eradicate the menace.
When you public vigilance, I will say
for now, I say 200 now, and 1 year more, and I will also said. Bibia will to be
reset, about 00. Asania starting. And yes,
and more being about 200, no more 100. And any now. And the soon yet for near for I was SOMPA 106.5 and no answer no.
Maminda say, sir, Obayama, Odinkomo, but to Ja. Now, say it's for our Bontembia, Edinkobodechi, because this one concerns you, it concerns me, it concerns all of us. If I now, it was some way because one media house, outside, there's some kind of investigation about this. It came out that some of the fuel stations, not all of them, were more attire. It's the best way. More yes, because me, Prof, I'm tell me the car about fuel station. I am a me fan chow. But we go Amwa and speaks for the GPRG or the deputy PRO for Ghana Road Transport and what can I say? Ghana Private Road Transport Association and our Baha Meneno Ebedi and Kobo. Around one to say.
Prof.